everyone, today's experiment is microscopy. So in this experiment we are going to learn how to prepare the specimen for microscopic examination and how to analyze the surface characteristics of the specimens. For this experiment we will be analyzing still specimen. We will also use wet belt grinder with 120 and 240 grit belts, polishing station, 1 micron and 0.05 micron alumina particles suspended in water, nitrile solution, which is 5% concentrated nitric acid in alcohol. We will also use alcohol and microscope. In order to prepare metallurgical specimens, there are several steps that we need to follow. These are sectioning, mounting, grinding and polishing, and etching. The first step is sectioning. Sectioning is the removal of small volume of material from the main parent piece. The microstructure of the material mustn't be altered in the process. So cutting must be done with coolant to minimize the heat and deformation. The second step is mounting. Mounting can be done for two main reasons. The first one is for convenience in handling, and the second one is for the protection and preservation during grinding and polishing. Mounting is done in a phenolic cylinder using a compression mounting press. Grinding and polishing step consists of coarse and medium grinding and rough and final polishing. Coarse grinding is done on a wet belt grinder with 120 and 240 grit belts. The purpose of this step is to obtain a flat surface free from previous cutting tool marks. So after mounting our specimen, we are going to grind our specimen first and then polish. So let's start grinding process first. The specimen should be moved along the length of grinding paper without rotation or a rocking motion. When grinding is completed, the scratches should all run in the same direction. So this is our polishing station. After grinding process, we polish our specimen using the 1 micron of alumina particles in water and 0.05 micron of alumina particles in water. Between rough and final polishing steps, the specimen should be washed. The last step is etching. The surface characteristics such as phases, porosity, and cracks can be revealed by etching because of their varying resistance against chemical. In same material, different structures have different resistance against the same chemical solution. For etching the steel specimen, we use nitrile solution, which is 5% concentrated nitric acid in alcohol. After 5 seconds of immersion, we rinse the specimen with water, dry with paper towel, and immerse briefly in alcohol and blow dry. Now, the specimen is ready for microscopic analysis. The specimen is secured into the microscope. Starting with the smallest objective, focused image is sought by moving the objective stage up or down. After obtaining focused image, next higher objective lens is rotated in place. Here are the several examples of the microscopic images. The microscopic image of steel specimen is used to determine the characteristic features. It is also used to determine the ASTM grain size number and also average grain diameter of the specimen. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this experiment.